Whenever I wake up, I put on my makeup. I save a little prayer for you.
Seriously, Pete, what are you doing?
Just trying out the new Huel range. Good for your hair and skin.
Are you actually being serious?
Yeah.
We leave tomorrow.
Yeah.
You're unbelievable.
Hello and welcome to the video. My name's Pete and I make videos on plant-based health and wellness as well as fitness challenges and stuff like that. So if that sounds like something you're into, maybe think about subscribing. Today I'm going to be looking into Huel. Now, I've looked into Huel before. I lived on Huel alone entirely for 1 week. I did enjoy the challenge, but it definitely taught me that I do enjoy eating as well. For those of you who don't know, Huel, standing for human fuel, is a nutritionally complete meal. It means that every meal is contained a balance of all 26 essential vitamins and minerals, proteins, essentials, fat, carbs, fiber, and polynutrients in a single product. Huel is made from plant-based sustainable ingredients like oats, pea, rice, flaxseed, coconut, and sunflower, and is available in a range of products: powder, ready-to-drink bars, and the hot and savoury. So their ethos is to help the environment, to cut down on food wastage. They also provide all your minerals and vitamins, something that can be a struggle for people living on a vegan diet, especially if you travel a lot. So yeah, I did the week entirely on Huel. Do love the product, but the powder does get a bit tiresome, a bit boring. I was excited to see that they have released a new product called the Huel Hot and Savoury, and it comes in 3 flavours. So we got Thai green curry, Mexican chili, and tomato and herb. I travel around a lot, and yeah, this could be an absolute game changer for me because it's very difficult to get all your nutrients in and stuff like that when you're living on the road, especially if you're traveling by car. So this could be a viable option for me. It's not the cheapest thing in the world. Okay, so 3 pouches is £49.50, works out about £2.35 a meal, which is kind of pricey. It's got such a good list of ingredients and minerals. If it tastes good and is filling, that is real cheap, because most of the time this is to be like have on the road. So if you pulled up, say like one of those welcome breaks or something like that, and you really need some food, like one, you can never usually find a vegan option, or if you're lucky you get like a Greg's sausage roll. For around the same price, you're not going to get anything near to being this healthy and balanced. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. Yeah, let's make them up. I'm going to try all 3 flavours. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so we're back, and only I could mess that up. So I made 3, and I managed to put too much water in, I think. I salvaged it, I put some more powder in and microwaved them, and now I've got 3 bowls of the good stuff. They do actually give you like a container, and you just put it into there, fill the water up to the line, put the lid on and leave it for 5 minutes. But I didn't want to have to do that like 5 times, or I didn't really know, so I made it into bowls. Anyway, we got there in the end. So yeah, I think we're pretty much ready, but something... 1 second. That's better. You get a free t-shirt when you order as well, so when you're a minimalist like me, extra t-shirts are definitely a given. Alright, so we've got Mexican, tomato and herb, and Thai green curry. I'm feeling drawn to this side first because I think Thai green curry will be my favourite. Tomato herb, so I feel like the Mexican one would be my least favourite. I digress. So here we go. I'm a bit nervous. Okay. Okay, so they pretty much all have the same ingredients, it's just the flavouring. Yeah, it was not bad. It's kind of hard when you're sat in a house to give it full justification, because I know if you were camping, you know, it's like rainy and cold somewhere and you just heated up some water and tasted this, it tastes a lot different to now, rather than having this for your dinner. I'd give that a solid 6 out of 10 in taste, but in the actual perfect scenario, camping, solid 8 out of 10. Okay, so tomato and herb. Okay. Prefer that one. Yeah, so tomato and herb, solid 8. It's like a thick, creamy, delicious, almost like tomato and herb soup, but it's obviously not a soup. With like rice and grains inside. Yeah. And I think this will be my favourite one. So this is the Thai green curry. Yeah, that's my favourite, for sure. Yeah, they're good. I'm impressed with that. It's like quite filling, quite substantial. But yeah, so far so good. I actually see if I can get someone else to do a taste test, because I'm just one person. Why not have a second person? You know, 2 is better than 1. Let's see if Loretta will do a quick taste test for us. She's back. I haven't told her what I thought, so let's see what someone else says. So we've got Mexican chili, tomato and herb, and Thai green curry.
Okay. This is chili.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's really nice flavour, but it doesn't taste like chili. In my opinion.
Yeah.
It definitely tastes like herbs.
They all have the exact same ingredients in them. It's just the flavourings are different. So like you can see like the texture and consistency.
So it's really nice, but it's not chili. But it has a really nice flavour. I do like that. This one is
the tomato and herb.
Yeah, that's also really nice. Again, just quite herby.
I was saying it's quite artificial circumstances, like if you were camping and it was raining and you were really hungry and you had hot water and you could just make one of these, it probably tastes like the most amazing thing in the world. But like when you're sat in a house.
Well, also actually, those kind of meals are really expensive to buy. Those like dehydrated camping meals, and I don't know.
This is
what
like $2.35 each meal.
I feel like camping meals work out more than that, so this probably isn't that bad. So far I prefer the chili, even though it doesn't taste like chili. This is going to be my favourite, you can already tell. Again, like the texture's a bit funny, they're all like a strange texture. But this one, like the Thai
That
green,
was my favourite too.
like you can really taste the lemongrass
Actually
in there.
tastes like a Thai green curry.
It's just the texture again, because in a Thai green curry you typically have like chunks of vegetables or you know like a tofu or something. But in terms of the flavour, I'm actually quite impressed.
But what it is, it's
with
literally
that.
just a powder that you add
I
water
think
to.
that's really impressive.
It's pretty crazy here.
Yeah, this is the one. Cool, bye. I should have got dressed for that.
Oh, sorry. There you go. So 2 reviews for the price of 1. We got from that the texture's very similar in all of them. They're kind of very grainy. They have taste. They're amazing. As I say, I'd like to try them in the field or, you know, like in a real situation where you're really hungry and you're out camping or you're cold, and then you can make like one of these. And as Loretta said then, they're very similar to the dehydration replacement meals you can buy from camping shops. And I'm pretty sure they're way more expensive than this. It's a cheap alternative to that. All in all, very impressed. Not impressed that I've got 3 bowls of this stuff to eat for my dinner today, but hey ho. They also do bars as well, which we have purchased to try. These things are legit too. I'm not sure how much it works out the bars to be. They're quite expensive, but they're pretty much the same thing in a bar. So even more convenient, like you need no hot water. As I said, we travel around in a car a lot, so we pull up at like a welcome break. So we've been driving for like 3 hours. You can have like one of these, and it's once again all your 26 essential minerals and vitamins. None of this trying to find something that you can eat from a welcome break. Big fan of these. They're kind of almost like a chewy bar. I was a bit apprehensive to get these, but I really want to try them as well. A lot of trail bars and stuff, I literally feel like it's like eating air. But for 200 calories, these are actually, you feel like you've eaten something afterwards. They got like, this is the peanut butter one, which is my fave. And it's got like chocolate chips and all that kind of stuff through it. So I guess I'll have this for my pudding today. Yeah, I just want to do a quick review on Huel. Yeah, especially after I just did the liquid Huel for like 7 days last time, because I do love the premise of it. I love how quick and easy they make life as well. If you're a busy person, you literally come home from work, you can just pour water and you've kind of got like a meal ready, you know, if like you're in a rush. Or you could take one of these meals with you to work and just have it in work, easy peasy. And you know, you're getting like a balance. I don't think I mentioned, so each meal is like 400 calories, 13 fat, 39 carbs, and 25 grams of protein, and 15 grams of fiber, keeping you regular. It's basically another way to have a shake. You get to eat something, and if we learn anything from my week on only Huel, when you're just drinking stuff, you miss eating stuff. But yeah, I really like what they're doing here. It's definitely a step in the right direction. A very cheap option if you're going camping or something like that, and you do want to take meals with you. Obviously, like a lot lighter than trying to carry tins. Like one of these bags is 7 meals. Things to think about. So that's it for another review here today. Leave comments in below if you have any opinions on Huel, or if you know anything about Huel yourself as well. Be interesting to know. Yeah, like the video if you made it this far, that'd be awesome. Subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Do you want one of these?